थैंक यू. Yes, this is our first time.
चलिए अंदर चलते हैं. Let's go. Panda Express. Yeah.
मैंने चाउमीन ले लिया है हाफ.
And this orange chicken.
ऑरेंज. ये अम्मी के लिए हम ले रहे हैं. मैंने अपना पहले ले लिया है.
And one more.
मैंने अपना पहले पैक करवा लिया, तो ये अम्मी के लिए.
And black pepper chicken.
Black pepper chicken down, please.
ये हमारा फूड है जो अब हम पे करने लगे हैं इधर. इसमें ड्रिंक लेंगे. Yes, very much. Thank you. Yes, this is our first time.
Guys would like to leave a review on us and like talk about how the store is and everything. On the receipt, we have like a QR code that you can scan with your phone.
Okay.
Like Victoria, so you can write it down there, and then once you write it, you get a 1 free entree on us.
Oh, thank
And it
you.
would just really help us a lot if you were able to do